there was a king is there. There was a king is there. An expert came to his kingdom and he challenged, saying, anyone is going to win chess with me, then I will do whatever you want. Any such type of expert is there in your total kingdom, like he challenged. Then what is the feeling of the king? Observe carefully. If someone came to our village and challenged, no one is going to beat me in chess, like he challenged, then automatically the king and all the kingdom people are going to get their blood is going to be burned like anything. Then some people came. Hey, we will play. We know chess. We will play with you like that. Then first person played last. Second person played last. Third person played last. All the people. No one beated that person. Then automatically king accepted. Okay. So he telling, sir, Swami, no one is going to beat you. You are really expert in the chess. Whatever you want, please let me know. We are ready to give. We are accepting our last. Okay, you won. We are accepting your win. Can you, whatever you want, can you please let me know? We are ready to do. Because we lost the match, something like it. So, do you want half kingdom or whatever you want, please let us know. Like, then automatically.
Is he Tenali Raman?
Something like that. Okay. Then immediately this person asked, I won't require much things. Chessboard is there. In this chessboard, okay, I want rice grains. Ginzal emantaru? Grain, Durga.
Yes, grains.
Grains, right? I want rice grains which are going to fit on this chessboard. On this chessboard, can you please provide like? But condition is, in the chessboard, how many boxes are there? How many boxes are there? White and black. Total, how many boxes will be there in the chessboard?
64.
64 will be there. You know, right? Chessboard. Do you want me to show that?
No, sir. We know.
You aware, right? All people. Yes. So total, how many images are there? Can you please confirm? 8 into 8 means 64 boxes are there. Total, how many boxes will be there? Total 64 boxes are there. Then automatically, what that chess expert asked, in the first box, 1 rice grain. In the second box, 2 rice grains. In the third box, 4. Okay, double of previous. Like the chess expert asked the king. Then automatically king laughed like anything. Arey, you are the expert in chess, but you are not expert. You are not expert in asking what you want. Arey, this is a small thing only you demanded. Like the king just laughed like anything. Even the total kingdom people also laughed like anything. Okay, no problem. That thing is enough for me. Can you please provide like? Then the king ordered, Arey, can you please bring a glass of rice? And can you please arrange a small rice? Can you please arrange in the chessboard? Like the king told. Then, okay, his assistant came with a small bowl. In the rice is there. He is trying to keep in the first box 1 rice grain. In the second box 2 rice grains. In the third box 4 rice grains. In the next one 8 rice grains. Like then automatically what happened here? First row very easily completed. Second row also very easily completed. Third row onwards, the problem came into the picture. Okay, in the ChatGPT, if you want the exact numbers, I will show for you. Okay, so please here just can you please repeat the same process from 1 to 64? Yes. Okay, now observe. In the first box, 1 rice grain they require to keep. In the second box, they require to keep second rice grain. 2 rice grains. In the third one, third box, 4 rice grains. So just completed some 30 or 40. What happened is the total rice in that kingdom got already completed. got already completed. Just by completing 30 or 40, all rice in the total kingdom got completed, not in a position to fill this number. What about its value, man? We can't read also. We can't read this number also. What's its value? 92 lakh crore. 92 lakh crore. Okay, 33,720 crore. Okay, so something like it's a too much bigger value, right? Too much bigger value, right? That's what you people should wear. Then automatically king again did namaskar, sir. You are the expert in asking this one also. Sorry, we underestimate you. So we accepted our defeat even in this also. Like he requested, he fall on his legs. The power is not with that expert. The power is with the compounding. Are you in the position to understand? Yes, friends. Especially you people can use happily in investments. Everywhere, sir. Compounding is the biggest eighth wonder of the world. Remember this. The people are accepted. It is the eighth wonder of the world is the compounding.